Hello traders, and welcome back to Grok Trade on Wednesday, August 22nd of 2012. Carolina Lezon here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program, and welcome everybody to our Q's analysis class here again today. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our Q's chart and analyze it here to make sure that we all understand what happened here. And now look at this, a beautiful bounce off of that lower area of support that we talked about yesterday, the 8 moving average, which you see here in green at 67.83. We are testing it and bouncing off of it, continuing higher all the way up to that 68.55 mark, which we tested, can sustain that high, pull back down, closing the day slightly below it. So we are still trading in that tight trading range between these two major areas of support and resistance, the 68.55 and then also the 8 moving average, which is at 67.83. So that is what we do see happening here. We never made it back to the high of yesterday, 68.88. We never did, but we tested the 68.55 mark here again and pulled back down, closing the day slightly below it. So now let's move down and take a look at our friend MACD. The MACD is still continuing lower, it's still continuing south. Even though we are here at the top of the rally at the highs right there on our chart, we're still continuing lower on the MACD towards the zero line. But we're still in the bullish territory according to the MACD. We're still above the zero line. And then also here on the chart, we're still bullish according to those two moving averages. We're still above both of them, finding a really nice support here at the 8 moving average again today. But we are at resistance. So pay close attention to these areas of support and resistance again tomorrow and then the rest of this week. And then also make sure that you pay close attention to the MACD, make sure it's doing the right thing and it's confirming everything we see happening on the chart. And then the next thing I wanted to mention to you is the volume. Look at the spike in volume. We are bouncing off of a very major area of support up here, the 8 moving average here today on a pretty decent volume, way above the average. That is what I like. So what I need you to do is, again, pay close attention to those areas, the 8 moving average as well as the 68.55 mark. If we do ever break through that one, the next one up would be the high of yesterday, 68.88. All right, so yeah, that's all that I have for you guys for today. Happy trading to all of you, and I hope to see you back in class tomorrow.